Once upon a time in a small village nestled amidst serene mountains, there lived a Zen Buddhism master named Haruki. He was known for his wisdom and peaceful demeanor, and people from far and wide sought his guidance on matters of the heart and soul. Haruki's teachings were simple yet profound, and he had a knack for weaving beautiful stories that conveyed profound life lessons. This is one such story that had the power to change lives. In a bustling city far away from the village, there lived a young man named Kenji. Despite his material success, Kenji felt a deep void within himself. He was constantly chasing after wealth, power, and fame, hoping they would bring him happiness. But no matter how much he acquired, his heart remained restless and unsatisfied. One day, Kenji heard about the renowned Zen master, Haruki, and his transformative teachings. Filled with curiosity and a burning desire for change, Kenji embarked on a journey to seek the wisdom of the master. After days of traveling, Kenji finally arrived at Haruki's humble abode. The master welcomed him with a warm smile and invited him to sit down. Kenji poured out his heart, confessing his emptiness and the constant pursuit of material possessions. Haruki listened intently and then said, "Kenji, I will share a simple story with you. There was once a wealthy merchant who possessed vast fortunes. One day, a young monk approached him and said, 'Master, I have heard of your immense wealth, but what is the secret to your true happiness?' The merchant smiled and replied, 'My dear monk, the secret lies in understanding the impermanence of all things. I am merely a custodian of my wealth, and I do not allow it to possess me. I appreciate the beauty and joy it brings, but I am not attached to it. This allows me to find contentment in every moment.'" Kenji pondered over the story and asked, "Master, how can I apply this wisdom to my own life?" Haruki smiled and said, "Kenji, it starts with cultivating mindfulness and letting go of attachment. Remember that true happiness does not lie in external possessions, but within yourself. Learn to appreciate the simple joys of life, the beauty of nature, the warmth of human connections, and the wonder of each passing moment." Kenji nodded, realizing the profundity of Haruki's words. He decided to dedicate himself to the practice of mindfulness and detachment. Every day, he would meditate and reflect on the impermanence of all things, gradually detaching him from the never-ending pursuit of material desires. As time went by, Kenji experienced a profound transformation within himself. He found solace in nature's embrace, deriving joy from the simplest things: a blooming flower, a gentle breeze, or the laughter of a child. He began to nurture meaningful relationships and discovered the power of compassion and kindness. One day, while meditating near a tranquil stream, Kenji realized that the emptiness he once felt had been replaced by a sense of fulfillment and inner peace. He had learned to detach himself from the endless desires that had plagued him before, and in doing so, he had found the true essence of happiness. Filled with gratitude, Kenji returned to Haruki to express his profound appreciation. "Master," he said, "your teachings have changed my life. I now understand that true happiness lies not in the accumulation of wealth, but in living mindfully and finding contentment in every moment." Haruki smiled, his eyes filled with wisdom.